Hi guys, today we are making unripe banana wraps with African spinach, also known as shoko. I actually harvested this from my farm. Let's go straight into the video. This is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. First of all, I will peel the bananas. In the small mortar, I have my palm nuts, which I have washed and boiled. Then I'm going to pound the palm nuts to extract the juice. I'll be using the juice for this recipe. This delicacy is also known as ekpankukwo. When you pound the palm nuts and get this consistency, you transfer into a clean bowl, then get some warm water, pour into it, get a sieve, and drain the palm nuts. That's the liquid we need. That's the juice we need for this recipe. The unripe bananas are all peeled. I'll be grating them into a smooth paste using my grater and a flat tray. All done now. I'll go ahead and mix them together. Then I'll be adding some seasoning, some salt to taste. Then I will give it a thorough mix. After mixing, I will set it aside. I have my pot here. Inside, I will be adding some washed and cleaned unshelled periwinkles. This is totally optional. I will start wrapping the banana paste now. You scoop a little paste on each leaf and wrap one after the other, bit by bit. This is actually time consuming, but it is worth it at the end because you're going to get a very yummy and delicious meal. The final result is mind-blowing. Take note, you can use any green vegetable of your choice for this recipe. I'm done wrapping now. We set the pot on fire. I'm adding the dried fish. I'll be adding some palm oil by the sides of the pot. Some chopped onions. Moringa flour. Some salt to taste. Cover to steam for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'll be adding our palm nut juice. Then Scotch bonnet pepper, pounded shrimp and onion, some crayfish powder, and I will save some crayfish powder for later. Cover to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add some seasoning, the rest of the crayfish powder, some dried shrimps and fresh periwinkles, some chopped onions, and give it a gentle stir, like this. Then cover to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you give it another gentle stir or turn. Just put your spoon underneath and raise it. That's the way to stir it. Cover to cook for another 3 minutes. Give it another stir or another raise. You see it's cooking now. You can see how it looks. Our unripe banana meal is coming together now. Add more crayfish powder, chili powder, and give it a gentle stir. A little amount of water to cook. Cover to cook for 3 minutes. Time to add more vegetables. I'll be adding some shredded spinach into the pot. This is entirely optional too. You can omit this if you don't like too much vegetables in your food. And I will give it a gentle stir or gentle raise. Our banana wraps or ekpankoko is coming together nicely. If you love my recipes and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and let's become one family. Please share and like my videos. If you love cooking, stay tuned on this channel because I'll be bringing your way lots of amazing food recipes. Our unripe banana wrap is cooked and ready now. Time to serve. I'll be serving this meal with fried fish. I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to everyone who finds time to watch my videos. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Give this recipe a try and let me know the outcome in the comment section. This meal is a very, very healthy one for everyone, for your family and friends. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.